just here to show you if you're going to video and stuff, you want to get yourself a charger like this. And see, my video camera came with this one battery and that was it. Then I went to the store, I got a bigger battery because they said, oh, you know what, you can get bigger batteries. I said, you can? I said, yeah. Then I found out they got actually bigger batteries. I just put a big, see how tall that battery is? Look at that against this one. Or, yeah, against this one here, and how wide it is. It's taller and it's wider. See how thin this was the one that came with the camera. So that was that, and then I got the next size up, which was this one. And then I got those, and I ended up getting these. I got 3 of these, and I got the charger too, so I put these on the charger. And see, that one was really low. This one's charging up. You got to have extra ones, because what I used to do is I didn't have these extra batteries, and then once I got the camera, it came with an extension thing that I could plug on the side of the video camcorder here. But then it had a cord, and it had a little box on it, and then I would have to plug that into a wall, find an electrical outlet, get an extension cord, plug it on here, tape it to the side of this when I put this up high, and all that good stuff. So, you know, get the right stuff and get yourself some extra batteries. Okay.